Hey friends, and in this video I'm going to tell you what you need to soak cucumber seeds in so that they sprout real quick. For this, first of all, we'll need a plastic cup. I have it 200 milliliters. I am in the process of filling it up with water. In addition, we will require some cucumber seeds for our needs. We include them in the water, and also most importantly, we will require some potash. Here is how it appears, such a dark consistency. And we'll need to add 10 milliliters to it for a total of 200 milliliters. Now let's mix it up. And we leave the cucumber seeds to soak for approximately 2 hours. This duration will be sufficient. Now I am going to give you a few practical tips. If your seed has not sunk after 2 hours, it means that your seed is old and probably will not sprout. Because within 2 hours, the seed coat should absorb moisture, become mushy, and sink to the bottom. Also in this solution and in such proportions, you can soak not only cucumbers, but also zucchini, pumpkins, melons and watermelons, as well as seeds of other garden crops. This here is a universal fertilizer for soaking seeds. What am I doing right now and what will I be doing? I grabbed cups for all this seed. I'll divide this volume among all the cups, because it's too much for 10 seeds, and I'll sprout all my seeds. Wish you a good day, strong and green seedlings, and we'll meet in the new videos. Take care.